This is one mistake that I did. It burns my hair. This year मैंने खुद को मार दिया और your hair looks like Salman Khan from Tere Naam, and I was very skeptical to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Janvi Bhatia. This year मैंने खुद को मार दिया है if I don't be consistent on YouTube. I really want you guys to know me beyond 1 minute or 3 minutes of shorts, because hey, I talk a lot and this is the perfect platform for me because oh my god, I have so much to share with you guys. So I am back with a video, and what better topic to talk about than hair, because every third person I meet always has something to ask from me about my hair, or has something to comment about how long it is and how do I manage it and vagera vagera vagera. So if you're someone who hates washing their hair, has to schedule a hair washing days, and still has frizz in their hair even after cleaning their hair, be honest and keep watching if you are. Or let me put a different profile here. You're almost always running late. You have thin hair or thick hair, but to a point that it becomes extremely difficult for you to do anything to your hair, to heat style it in a certain way and to make it look presentable. Then keep watching, because you're watching the right video, because this is actually going to transform your hair. I can vouch for the fact that it's almost every girl's dream to get a Dyson hair product, but today I'm going to literally get into the details of it and actually show you if it is worth it or not. Now, while worth it can be a very subjective term, like an expensive thing to somebody can be a very affordable thing to someone else. It's obviously dependent on you, but if it is something that you've been eyeing on, if it is something that you've been saving up for, you have to watch this video, because this is actually going to help you decide if you want to go ahead with it or not. But anyway, is it even worth it? We'll see it in the video. This is my Dyson Airwrap ID Multi Styler, and the way it works on me is so much different from the way it works on mom. Our use cases are different, and I'm literally going to show it to you. Before I actually get to show you how it works on my mom's hair plus on my hair, I'm actually going to show you all the tools that it comes with. The first thing that it comes with is obviously this. It's the main Dyson tool, the one that you hold and the one that attaches all the tools that it has. It has the main power on, power off button. It has 3 different heating modes, a cold, a mid and a high heat. It has 3 different fan settings as well, slow, medium, fast. The next thing that it comes with is a fast dryer. Now this is how it looks, and it's basically as simple as a blow dryer. It just dries your hair, but this is a fast dryer. Even with less heat, it's actually going to make your hair dry much faster. Next one that I have in hand is the smoothing brush. Now this is exactly what I'm going to use on mom. So you're going to see how I use this in the first demo that I show. And in case you directly want to see that, you can skip to that part. But if you want to see more tools that it comes with, continue watching. The next thing that it comes with is this blow dryer. What it does is, I'll show it to you. The reason that this is there is because to tame the frizz. So while you're drying your hair, the air that it blows obviously dries your hair, and this part tames the frizz down. As easy as that. The next tool that it comes with is this. The main brush that helps you get that crazy volume outside. If you have layers in your hair, if you have curtain bangs, side bangs, whatever, front flakes cut, तुम्हारे बाल तभी तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट ने स्टाइल कर लिया है. बट उसके बाद जब तुम एक्चुअली में बाल धोते हो, the next day your hair falls flat, or your hair looks like Salman Khan from Tere Naam, and it is not flattering at all. So this makes your life easier. And the next and the last thing that comes in the Dyson is something that every girl dreams of. Dun-dun-dun! It is the curling barrels. This one if you want more tighter curls, and the other one is if you want loose waves. I'm actually going to use this, the thicker one. I want to show you the bouncy waves look. So if you actually want to go directly to that part, a snippet of this is here. Then you can skip to this. But if you want to first watch my mom's demo, let's straight get into that and waste no other minute. So let's start with demo 1 and get my mom! She didn't want to wash her hair, but I've made her wash her hair in the middle of the day, and now she's feeling cold. So अगर वो बीमार होती है, तो I'm sorry, but I did it for you. She won't get बीमार, she won't get cold. She won't get cold. So this is my mom. Hi, Bulu. Hi. Her hair profile is completely different to me. जैसे मेरे बाल thick है, her hair is like thin. और मेरे बाल ज़्यादा लंबे हैं, मम्मी के बाल मीडियम लेंथ है, बट आई फील मीडियम लेंथ ज़्यादा इजी होता है हैंडल करना. स्ट्रेट है मोस्टली. हाँ स्ट्रेट है, मोस्टली स्ट्रेट है. लाइक मेरे बाल फिर भी वेवी है थोड़े से, बट मम्मी के बिल्कुल वेवी या कर्ली कुछ नहीं है. स्ट्रेट है, स्लीक स्ट्रेट भी नहीं है, बट स्ट्रेट है. थोड़े फ्रिजी है, मतलब हाँ फ्रिजी है. So we're actually gonna time it out for you guys, because the last time I blow dried my mom's hair and smoothened it, 7 minutes में हमने पूरा कर लिया. I can't believe it, because पता है हम हमेशा लेट हो रहता है कहीं ना कहीं जाने के लिए. As always, like whenever you want to go to a wedding function, any party, or like she had a kitty party, you know how you're rushing because everyone is running late, and we got her hair from wet, soaking wet, to completely dry and smoothened within 7 minutes. She came inside the room at 3:03. मुझे याद है क्योंकि मैंने बस देख रखा था, और 3:11 को वो रूम से बाहर थी. It's crazy because I could never do that with my hair. So what I'm gonna do is, like I told you, I'm just gonna give you that entire demo that we did. Let's do. Yeah. One really good thing about Dyson is that इसका वायर कुछ ज्यादा ही लंबा है. Look at how long this wire is. मेरा डाइसन खत्म हो जाएगा पर ये वायर खत्म 1 मीटर का तो होगा. 1 मीटर से ज्यादा होगा. मतलब इतना लंबा वायर होना इज नेसेसरी. तो काफी बार आता है हमारे प्लग्स बहुत ज्यादा दूर होते हैं, या फिर बहुत नीचे, या फिर बहुत ऊपर होते हैं. स्पेशली जब होटल्स में जाता है तो एकदम राइट प्लेस पे होते ही नहीं है. एंड देन इफ आई वांट टू स्टाइल माय हेयर तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. आई रियली लाइक कि ये इतना लंबा है. अभी बाल खोल देते हैं. यू कैन सी द टेक्सचर ऑफ द हेयर राइट नाउ. इट्स वेट, सोकिंग वेट हेयर. ऐसे ही दिखते हैं. पानी टपक रहा है थोड़ा बेड पे, बट इट इज ओके. एनीवे आई एम नॉट गोना स्लीप ऑन दिस बेड. शी इज, so it's fine. Just kidding. So I'm just gonna give you a heads up of what I'm gonna use right now. First I will use the fast dryer and I'm just gonna put it. मैंने already insert भी कर लिया. It's that easy to put it on. मैं fan speed full fast रख रही हूँ, medium heat पे रख रही हूँ, and I'm just gonna start it. So easy. We've started this at 5:37. Let's go ahead and see how long it takes. गरम तो नहीं लग रहा है? नहीं. Obviously you can't see it right now, but उनके बाल already काफी सूखे लग रहे हैं. That is one of the advantages of having thinner hair, you know. बाल जल्दी से सूख जाते हैं. My hair takes a lot of time to dry, which is why I often use this fast dryer, because whenever I have to go to an event and if I let my hair naturally dry, it's gonna take like 2 hours for it to dry. But whenever I use this, it takes like less than 15 minutes and my hair are fully dry. Yeah, that's all for drying our hair, and we got done at 5:40 literally. We're also talking in the middle, so we have to spare some extra time for that because I am filming a video, but when I'm not filming I usually go much quicker. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a comb, detangle all her hair, and now I am going to go ahead with using that smoothing brush. अभी भी मम्मी के बाल थोड़े गीले हैं, like it is still like 80% dry and 20% wet. And I'm purposely not going ahead and fully drying it with this, and I will tell you why. So I'm just going to remove this, and mind you, because these tools don't get too hot, I can actually use it from here. Obviously I won't put my hand inside, but it is still bearable whenever you are using other tools, जो भी heat styling के लिए. तो कितने ज्यादा गर्म हो जाते हैं कि हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ चटका लग ही जाता है. Next what we'll go ahead is, it's a smoothing brush, and I'm just going to fit it into this. Done. Somehow the Dyson is not too heavy also कि मेरा हाथ दुख जाए. Also because मेरा हाथ इसलिए भी नहीं दुखता क्योंकि इतना quickly हो जाता है सब कुछ कि हाथ दुखने के चांस नहीं आते. The reason I did not dry my mom's hair completely with this is because सारे Dyson tools में there's some amount of air that is blown out. So basically when you are doing smoothing also, इधर से हवा like a blow dryer comes out, or even when you're using the curling barrels, there's some amount of air that comes out to dry your hair. So it's like a 2-in-1 situation. And so let's cut to the point where I'm actually going to do this thing on her and show it to you how it's done. अभी मैं heat full पे रख रही हूँ, fan speed भी full रख रही हूँ, and now we're gonna start. The time is 5:45. Just gonna show you that before smoothing her hair naturally looks like this. So I'll start with the stick. 5:51 right now, literally 10 minutes, and that is also because we were talking. And 10 मिनट में इनके बाल पूरे स्ट्रेट हो गए, फुल्ली ड्राई हो गए. Obviously वो एकदम sleek straight look नहीं है, but whenever mom is also going for like a straight hair look, she does not really want that एकदम चपट straight बाल. She actually likes this ऐसे smoothened look. थोड़ा पूरे टाइम ऐसा होता है ना जब तुम्हारे बाल, you have a good hair day, you just want to keep touching your hair and feeling it. It's that feeling literally, because I am only doing this to her right now. But this is literally the quality of her hair. This is literally how smooth her hair looks right now. Yep, so that was how quick we went actually. From getting her hair from soaking wet to smoothing and like straight. Sometimes you just want to look more presentable. The Dyson always helps you with that. There's also barely any sense of hair fall. Like there are 2 strands of hair that I can find completely. In case you have layers on your hair and you want that ऐसे face framed look, you can actually use this and it sits very 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 well. That was it actually. मम्मी तुझे कैसा लगा Dyson यूज करके, एंड तुझे अच्छी भी लगेगी नहीं? सबसे पहले तो बाल हमारे अच्छे होते हैं तो हमको एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस अलग आ जाता है, और जब डायसन यूज करते हैं उसके बाद तो बालों का लेवल अलग ही जगह चला जाता है. कितने भी अच्छे कपड़े पहन लो, कुछ कर लो, लेकिन बाल अच्छे हैं आपके तो आपका लुक ही चेंज हो जाता है. आई नो राइट. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि यू आर वेयरिंग अ वेरी नाइस आउटफिट एंड समहाउ मतलब बैड हेयर डे होता है, सो यू डोंट रियली वांट टू गो आउट, और मे बी यू आर नॉट लुकिंग द बेस्ट बिकॉज योर हेयर इज नॉट वेल. काफी बार शादियों में भी जा रहे होते हैं तो बस ऐसे नेचुरली भी रह जाते हैं बिकॉज इट लुक्स सो फ्रिजी एंड इट लुक्स सो अनडन, एंड बिकॉज इट इज एन इवेंट लाइक अ शादी दैट यू आर अटेंडिंग. It is just nicer if your hair is like done, and the least you can do is actually just smoothen your hair, and I feel this makes the job
Dyson is very good,
है ना?
very easy.
So yeah, tell mom bye and go to my demo because I have to show you how to use the curls now. Smiley for mom in the comments, and tell me if you want me to make more videos with her. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the demo 2, which is the curling barrel on my hair. Demo number 2. I have literally just showered, so my hair are all wet, so I can already start with the process and show you how it's done. फिलहाल के लिए we will throw this. Coming back to the main product here, my Dyson. Okay, before we go all in, I have to tell you, when I wash my hair and let it naturally dry, it's gonna have like sort of a frizzy and haggard like look, but I want it to be more smooth and I wanted to have those voluminous curls as well sometimes. So like every girl's dream, I am also gonna get Dyson curls on my hair. Shall we start? This is the length of my hair. It's pretty long. गीले में इतने लंबे नहीं लग रहे जितने सूखे में लगेंगे because it literally almost touches my bum now, which is so cool because I always wanted those Rapunzel hair. Yeah, then I can also make a braid and then someone can climb up and meet me. Anyway, it's pretty thick and it's pretty dense, and that is why when I spoke to a lot of hairstylists before actually using the Dyson, one of the things that they told me is that you should actually get a hair mousse, and I was very skeptical to use it, but this one holds your curls very well and it is also heat protecting in a way. Let's start. The Osis hair mousse. It is an extra strong mousse, so if you have really thick hair and want your curls to last longer, then definitely get this one, or any other hair mousse for that matter. I got this one and I'm gonna start with it. Just randomly apply a little bit of mousse in your hair. Don't apply too much also. Now since the hair mousse is on and the heat protectant is also gone in, I am now going to start with smoothening the hair. So if you want to use the curling barrel, you don't want your hair to be completely dry. You want it to be like 80% dry. I'm just going to smoothen my hair a little bit and then go ahead with sectioning it and then curling it and all of those things. The Dyson has one button to switch it on and switch it off. This one right here is for the heat setting. The higher it is, the more the temperature, and the lower it is, the colder the shot is. Then this one over here is for the fan setting. In case you want a higher speed fan, in case you want a lower speed fan, just switch it on. Okay, now that I've smoothened a little bit so the hair looks straight. So the entire thing that I did with my mom's hair, smoothened it, I am just a little bit doing it to myself as well. And now moving on to step 2, actually using the Dyson barrel. Okay, I'm gonna remove it. Curling barrels. These are the 2 curling barrels that you will receive. I'm obviously going to use the thicker one because this will actually get you like voluminous wale curls. Plugged it in, and this right here is the dream of every girl. What I'm going to do before doing all of this is just section my hair now. I have pinned this part of my hair. So you know how your hairdresser actually uses these pins, and if you don't know what they're called, it's called the crocodile clips, and I'm gonna link it below in my description just in case you want to get it. Whenever you're heat styling your hair, you want to section them, these are very helpful. Now I have this strand of piche ke baal from my hair. If you can see these 2 arrows, I've set this arrow to this side, so I want my curls to go outside and not inside. This is one mistake that I did the first time I used my Dyson. So now I'm actually going to curl my hair to the outside so it blows out. Now this part of the hair also I can actually section it in 2 or 3 halves because Dyson really wants like a 1-inch sort of a hair. So I'm just going to take this and start with it. So you know, if you're one of those like me who does not really know कि कितने देर तक तुम्हें अपने curls को on रखना चाहिए, कि कितने देर तक you have to heat style it, what if you put it on for longer and your hair burns out, or what if you put it on for lesser and heat styling ho hi naha. So if you're like that, Dyson has this app where you can set your timer for however long you want. It suggests you according to your hair profile also for how long you should keep it. So I'm going to do just that. As soon as you switch this on, it connects your app with Bluetooth. So right now the timings are basically the wrapping part of it. The curling part will actually take 11 seconds. The styling part, while it's holding the curls in, will take 16 seconds. And there's a cold shot that you have to put in the end for 5 seconds. That sort of smoothes your hair, and that cold shot will actually not make your hair feel like kadak. You know how whenever you style your hair, because it's heat style, your hair feels a little kadak. So this one really helps it just soften and give it that nice graceful fall. That's it. You just hold your hair like this and put your Dyson over here. It will automatically curl it and take it up. Look at that bouncy curl. So one of the things that you've seen is that, like other curling tongs, you have to wrap your hair like this. Dyson obviously takes it itself and does it automatically. You also don't have to do all of these things. You just have to hold it like this and take it open. It will do the job of curling and wrapping automatically. So that's one of the biggest things that I've taken off my head, because I don't know how to do this. I get scared that my hand will burn, or if I'm doing it right or not, because most of the times when I'm using a curling barrel, it doesn't happen right. High speed, a fan and high heat. Turn it on. Let it connect to your app. You see that? How cool! I love these curls so much. Literally the last stand left in left side of my hair. Am I going mad? Yes. I am going to use a little bit of hairspray. I need the curls to hold in for a longer time. I'm going to take my serum right here and put it all across my hair. My hair has never looked better and curlier than this. Just have done this side. I'm going to do this side and come back in a... Did I just? Oh, gorgeous! Auntie, gorgeous! So while doing this, I twisted the barrel to the other side, and that is my Dyson curl hair. Now you can obviously go ahead and open these curls, but I'm not gonna do that because I like these tight curls a lot. I am super happy that I finally got this. Just look at the curtain bangs going out. This is what girl dreams are made of. I have not seen my hair flowing prettier than this before. It is insane and it is magic, and I don't know how this is made, but I love it. I so love it. Can I finally say that I know how to heat style my hair, because Dyson made it 10 times easier. I kid you not, I used to not take one heat styling tool whenever I used to go for trips, because I just did not know how to use them properly. It used to be so difficult for me to curl my hair. It used to be so difficult for me to straighten my hair, and this has just made my life 10x easier, because I can smooth my hair so quickly. I can curl my hair so quickly. So if your hair is thinner, it's even faster for you, and if your hair is thick, just imagine 30 seconds for each curl. And I have like what, 20 curls in my head, so 20 into 30 seconds. And I totally think that yes, it is worth it. If you are someone who can save your money and invest in the best heat styling tool, then it has to be the Dyson. Now I don't really have to call hairstylists before an event, because I can do this to my own hair by myself. I also want to talk about one more thing, and that is Valentine's Day. Now since Valentine's Day is coming up, I would 100% urge and suggest you to go ahead and get a Dyson for your girlfriend or for your wife or whatever it is. If you really want to see her happy, and if you want to invest in a bigger expensive gift, then do not think twice before getting the Dyson. I feel like I'm in one of those hair care commercials where my hair is just looking fabulous, and all I have to do is like just pose and let my hair fly, because oh my god, what are these? But I also feel like the damage is much lesser. The curling rods and the straightening irons, when I use it, they are much way hotter in fact, and this one sort of like protects you. Even when I take the cool shot, like to keep the temperature on a lower setting, my curls still happen, which means that you can actually avoid heat damage and pretty much fall in love with your hair every other day you style it. It's a no joke if I have to tell you that I actually look forward to washing my hair and styling it with the Dyson. Okay, that was it for my video. Those are the two demos that I really wanted to show you. I use like 3 different tools, and this is the hair that I have got and mom has gotten. So yeah, if you were to ask me, I would say Dyson 100% is an investment. In fact, my sister bought it recently too. I'll share a picture right here. Color is in the copper gray tones. It's very classy, and mine is as loud and as fun I can make it. Share this video with your parents or your elder sister or your elder brother or your boyfriend, husband, anyone, and tell them that this is a sign for them to gift you your Dyson, or obviously you can go and get it yourself as well. Do like this video if you like the end result of how my hair looks after the Dyson. Comment and let me know if you have any other questions regarding the Dyson. I will answer that in the comments. Obviously don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more hair care and hair related content, and I will see you later. Thank you for supporting me. Know what I love to do. बाल बाल बना के तुम खाली खाना ना जा रहे हो। जानवी पटिया की मम्मी है।